I like to go to restaurants. I've been to Nolan's in the past, but then they had the fire, and they rebuilt, and I hadn't been. So I went Saturday.
Please tell me how it was, because I was supposed to go too, and I didn't the other day.
It's great. Nolan's is definitely solid. Not much has changed in that regard. The new place is pretty sweet as you walk in there. Now, if you go on the far side, they have an indoor-outdoor area that basically giant windows that they open up in the summer and they close in the winter, and a fireplace. We didn't eat in that room, but I did take note of that. It was crowded. I think Canandaigua football was playing in the sectional championship game that night. It was on TV. A lot of people were watching that, and it was a full house for sure. And typical steakhouse menu. You got steaks, you got pasta, you got seafood, and you got your chicken and veal.
Oh, it all sounds so good.
It's all solid, and I use that term solid. I don't know if Nolan's is a top 5 restaurant of mine.
No? You have a lot of restaurant options and choices that you go to.
But it's probably top 10, I think. I mean, they do a really good job. And this is what I ordered, chicken French.
Oh.
Now, why chicken French? Sometimes when I don't eat at a place in a long time, I like to get like either chicken French or chicken Marsala, sometimes even chicken parm instead of a steak or seafood, and that's kind of the mood I was in. So I ate all that, and it was great. The sauce was delicious. I could have used a little more pasta underneath those chicken breasts, but...
Or you didn't need it if you were being healthy.
True, but it was delicious. And some other people in my party. That's a lobster roll. The lighting was something was wrong with my camera. I didn't really take great pics, but lobster roll looked pretty dang good.
Yeah, it did.
This was a fillet with fries. Again, not that impressive looking, but delicious steak. Mm-hmm. And they chose fries. I wouldn't have chose fries with my fillet. I would have got a vegetable or potato, but. Who am I to judge what people like? So here's a lobster tail with some pasta on the side. That looked pretty dang good. And this was my dessert. It was a giant piece of chocolate cake.
So healthy. But you have that coffee in there too, which is great, right? Coffee's good for you to an extent.
Yeah. But overall, impressions are the same as it was in the old Nolans. It's great. It's fantastic. Everything was awesome. The service was a little slow that night. There was one point when every single person at our table had no drink.
Oh, jeez. Oh,
no.
And to me, that's not great. Because first of all, as a restaurant, you're costing yourself a little money. And second of all, you want to have something to drink at all times, right? It wasn't just one or two people that were out. The whole table was out. So it was an extensive time. But... I'm not here to really critique. I think Nolan's is great.
The food was great. So you would recommend us going and trying out the food?
Oh, absolutely.
Sure. I haven't been there either since
it's a great atmosphere too. Good. It's great.
Awesome.
Worth the drive from Seneca Falls to Canandaigua.
Yeah, I agree.